It's gonna go down. Looks like a pretty strong uptrend here. So I'm gonna catch this uptrend because clearly we have pretty good event earnings here. Still in an uptrend. Let's zoom out to see if we can get an extension. I'm looking at the stochastic RSI here. Stochastic RSI has reached its peak. Zooming out, and I think this is a sell. But I'm going to wait for that MA to go up a little bit more. Once I see a red candle, I'm selling. And I saw a red candle, so I'm selling. There you go. So I'm looking for a red super trend, looking for the MACD to call down at least to the red. So you can also short, but once again, the probabilistically speaking, you're gonna lose on a short more than you're gonna lose on a uptrend. And the good thing about buying is that you can hold that position if the trade doesn't work out. You wouldn't want to do that. And I think that's why I'm also going to stop using a stop loss, because you can just hold a position as long as the fundamentals work out. You know, you typically you would already want to buy a stock with good fundamentals, or rather you want to trade a stock with good fundamentals. So if the trade doesn't work out, you would typically want to hold it. Okay. So that's why I'm long only. But sure, you can trade as well. So that 1 week chart, what I was looking at was that we have a downtrend, but we are still in a red super trend. So I want to zoom in a little bit and see how things are going on the field here. Maybe we can look for an entry. There you go. That's an okay entry. I'm going to put actually a little bit more money into this. Not 56,000. So I'm going to put in around 5,000. So this would be. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. Okay, that's a pretty good buy. 5,000. There you go. Then we're going to zoom back out. If TradingView doesn't crash, there you go. Zoom back out and wait for it to recover. Now, if you are trading this on real life, you could also double down and buy more on the way up. Okay. So, for example, the stochastic RSI right now looks pretty good. And the RSI looks like it's on the verge of breaking out. I'm going to double down and see if it works out. Once again, I'm waiting for that recovery from that MACD. And we are starting to see some recovery over there. And we just have to see if there's strength in this rally. Another green super trend. Let's see here. Okay, looks like we are almost ending it. I think we have some more room to run on the RSI. We just need that green super trend. Am I getting greedy here? Let's see. Green super trend. Let me zoom in a little bit. I think this rally is gonna hold. Okay, we're still in the green super trend on that 1-day chart. Okay, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell here now. Maybe I don't have to sell everything. I can sell like 5,000 and see if this keeps up. Okay, we're seeing some jitters there, and I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. Okay. Yeah, this could just continue because we were in a green super trend, but damn it, based on the stochastic RSI. Um, no, it okay. We ended it, and I skipped the part where I can look at the profits, but I think that was an okay trade. I think that was an okay trade, but at this point, currently, I'm looking at a possible downtrend, which is going to be pretty unfortunate. But the software kicked me out. I wish they would give us um, the actual data, but TradingView literally deleted it. But I think we made some pretty good trades there. I think we timed some things pretty well with the different time frames. So we just keep that up. Keep that up.